kwe dinge, jele kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila, jele kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge, jele kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila, ona teme kwani ni kwenda mama, ona teme kwani ni kwenda mama, jele kwani muzulu mama, jele kwani muzulu mama.
Nambulaze mwangane ebisambu byazibakane enandwenga za jemye nakundibulira mwelwe nakungana mama kamboma mutaba mwangane ekambo tangu ya jemye ewele Quase nada. Merci.
Kumasekule kelentangu unanzila zezombo ya tumyoko agento mukwenda kangaje nanga yemvatu myao myembote mbote munante tolumoso maza malwidi kembo yenkunga mi masikilu zombo city makela du zombwewe zombo city peu bilumfuta zombo city makela du zombwewe zombo city peu bilumfuta eminda mie balabala uvana minanga eluzaiso lwangolo engutukilo evuvu kempa kivutukidi unkaziluzekeze nkangu kuzengomona ngoma yesanzi akivene mongolo entetembazi kwendanga munzaki zombo city makela tuzombwewe zombo city peu bilumfuta zombo city makela tuzombwewe zombo city peu bilumfuta os acrobatas cuspidores de fogo músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente multidão está pronto pela apoteose. Zombo City, makela do zombwewe Zombo City, peu bilumfuta Zombo City, makela do zombwewe Zombo City, peu bilumfuta os acrobatas, cuspidores de fogo, músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente, multidão está pronto pelo apoteose. Quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar. Zombo, quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar e desenhar. Zombo City.
Ebisambu bya zibakane enandwenga za jemye nakundibulira mwelwe nakungana mama kambo mamutaba mwangane ekambo tangu ya jemye ewele
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble we are one, you and I, let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kanangonga nango
Yambote, tatale.
Kiambote Tata Panzu.
Oh, luna vimpi tata.
Tunama vimpi yeyeno
Oh, yetepe mavimpi tuna. Yambuleto kaisa enkangu. VCD menam pofele. Yambuleto
Yes.
kaisa enkangu.
I understand.
Let us, Yambula, let us.
Let us speak.
Greet, yeah?
Or let us greet.
Kaisa to greet, yeah. Nkangu, people, audience in this case.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, if you are watching, we thank you. Please don't move. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of the Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Kiwako itata ale.
Wow.
Iwa umbimba. Oh, yes. Mavimbi kunanzo tatu. Nuna mavimbi kunanzo.
Yes. Can I answer it in English?
Luna try Kikongo, please. Luna is very simple. Luna mavimbi kunanzo. Kunzo is
Yeah, Kunzo is the house. How's the house?
Home. I mean, in this case, home. Yeah, home.
Well, I'm just gonna see what
Kunanzo,
Kunanzo
mavimbi.
Okay, Mavimpi tunam Mavimpi, yeah.
Mavimbi, no, carry on. Mavimpi, you know your color, Mavimpi. Single ngina, Mavimpi.
Mavimpi ngina.
It's you single, but us, we are fine. Mavimpi. Tuna. Mavimpi tuna, yeah. Hello, Toto David.
Kiambote.
Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. Yes. Kunanzo mavimpi, Tata David. Yeah. Kunanzo luna mavimpi.
Tunava vimpi.
Tuna mavimpi, yes. Yetepe tuna mavimpi. But listen, I'm going to repeat my question. Yetepe tuna mavimpi, Tata David Tonde. My question was, Kunanzo Lunama Vimpi. So we've introduced the Nzo, yes?
Nzo.
Kunanzo, Nzo is home, house. So, Kunanzo Lunama Vimpi. Tata David, do you understand my question, Tata David? Kunanzo Lunama Vimpi.
Is all well at your house?
Yes, oh yes. Well done, yeah, your answer. Kunanzo Lunama Vimpi. Yeah, go
I could just
Kunanzo.
say,
Kunanzo, yes. Kunanzo.
Hello,
Kunanzo.
Kunanzo Mavimpi.
Yeah, but I want you to say something because when you say ngina is verb kala, first singular, so your answer is on behalf of the crowd, so it's first plural.
Mm.
Can you say it again, please?
Yes. So,
Kunanzo mavimpi, yeah, you did well. Kunanzo mavimpi,
yeah. Kunanzo Luna Mavimpi.
Kunanzo mavimpi tuna.
Mavimpi Tuna. Okay.
Yeah, remember verb kala, yeah. No worries. Kala ngina, una again, okay, na, tuna, luna, bena. Tutondele. Now, this is Kikongo Talk. Kikongo Talk Show. Not Kikongo Talk Show, okay. Last time, we're going back to last time topic. We talk about Wambote, huh? Remember? Mbote is of good. Papa Makonde, but he did well, I mean, the best. Mbote, when we say Kambote, we mean hello, but Mbote itself, it depends where you're using it. Totally, yes? Totally.
Yes.
Okay.
Mbote is good. Let's take it as good. Yeah? Mbote is good. Good. Because when someone say hello, sorry, when someone says Kambote, it's kind of wishing you well, yes? Ish. Yeah? Translation always hard. So, Wambote, I want you to answer me using Wambote. Wambote ngina, Wambote tuna, Wambote kena. Remember, third person, second, third, usually you una, but in this case we're using kena. Yes? Yes?
Okay.
Remember, verb kala. Second una, third una, or kena. It depends on the context. Oh, yes. In this case, we're using kena for third singular. Wambote ngina, wambote una, wambote kena. Tata island is singular. Sorry, first plural.
Tuna.
Yes, we're using mbote, yeah. Wambote for
Wambote tuna.
Bambote tuna for first singular. I'm sorry. First plural. Bambote tuna. Oh, ba. All the plural is ba, yes?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Wambote ngina. Wambote una. Wambote kena. Him, her. Bambote tuna. Bambote luna. Bambote bena. Tata David, yes? Yeah, but basically the pattern is on the plural, ba, yes? Usually ba is your last. Usually, I mean, ba is the last third plural. Because we have standard pronoun, personal pronoun for plural. Tata David, can you remind me? Please, can you remind us? Personal pronoun standard or plural.
Okay. For first plural.
Yes, you know, I know you.
Tuna.
Tuluba. Remember, yes? Just Tuluba, yes.
Tuluba.
Sorry, I'm confusing you. The question is confusing. Yes, in this case, tuna. Bambote tuna, bambote luna, bambote bena. Is it clear, Tata Alain? Yes, Tata Alain?
Yeah.
Yes, be careful. Here, we are not using pronoun of insistence, yes? There's no emphatic pronoun, yes, Tata Alain? So, in this case, whenever I mean, when you don't have pronoun of emphatic, all the plural side is ba ba ba. The singular wambote. You just change, of course, the verb. Yeah, remember, wambote ngina, wambote una, wambote kena, bambote tuna, bambote luna, bambote bena. But we are going to change. Now we're moving to emphatic pronoun. When you introduce emphatic pronoun, plural, toi, loi, ba. Yes? Basically, it's a tuluba, yes? That is tuluba anyway, but it should sound toi, loi. Tuambote kwe tutuna, yeah? Insistence. Tuambote kwe tutuna. Luambote kwe no. Remember, you know your pronoun, emphatic pronoun, totally, yes?
Yes.
It made of, your prefix is the KW, then you have your suffix, yes? Eto, ame, aku, kwame is the KW with ame, kwaku is KW with aku, yeah? Tata song, tata the yes? Just a reminder, I know you know you know your stuff, totally, yes? Question, totally.
No.
So basically, just think of tuluba when you have emphatic, yes. But tu should sound toi, yes. Lu should sound loi, yes.
Okay.
You change on first and second plural. I mean, when I say change, you change in terms of sound, yes, because it should sound toi, loi, instead of tu, lu, yes? Tumbote, tuna. Having said that, I have to underline something important. Kikongo always depends on a variant accent region, yes? Yes. I'm going to play a video clip, yes, small one. David.
Okay.
Just this is my village, yeah. This is where I come from. Then you're going to understand why I'm saying that.
Bless
I
you.
mean, it is my village anyway. You are going to. Yes, can I play? You're going to notice someone is saying something about me. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but you try to write that talent. Try to write what you can, yeah, whatever you can, yeah. Take notes. Try to explain to us what is the man saying. Ready?
Okay.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared, Tata. Ready?
Yeah.
Off we go.
Koningina ye ingutu kiya imbanze kivange lyako wa ukibalo kavo kitomulute mutangu katutuwa kuna 25 tuyiza kwako mulyambuli patu kalya kaizetu kwa tu kilibo shabavu ayene ko 25 wa tuizili kwako mukuse vutuka bonsuna akela kaizetu kutuvangila nga patu ya imbanza eganga luisili gawo bensawu kekena kunavo nzenza kukaka utu kakatu kyaki isina kikivanga lyako kiutu kilisedi yawo mbutetu yetu mbutishima unyoka mwana andi yona utete unavo ministro da ambiente vice ministro wa ambiente yandi izulu kulitete dimbutetu mbutishima unyoka mamukivanga lyako engudi yawo imbutetu yetu pangetu ngusuzani mazenzela iuti digawo idiawo kiasa tuno kya kolukene bo kavile kene ukuna tuki idiazo levo gesa tunga mbanza ivutuka bonso una ikele bonso una avo tunga kwenu kuna sulu sawe tukiadi mimi tutoma kala kya bonso bo katuna yigatu kuntwala kinga tuvuidigana ngena si sambute jigatu sinu kiasa tuno kyawo pashin vimbu tuna za muna kedi kagenu mojulu mwana kutunjile forma luteku wejele luteku sa zungidi luwatikidi kuna kuza koti munjila yina mumogu tutapila yawo kali lukidi kikesa diaga mutapa hivyo njila tufati koti sama kami ingisa luteku sa yishidi yina mumogu tutapila yi
a delegação e a associação Luiz de Quago. Aqui levou a anda tufana.
Bom, eu a delegação Luiz de associação e colo Luiz de maoso no oluyatikiri kwa kuma vate kutujufulusa ikuna sira diago lukwele kuna mbongo satu tunazao wetu mutomisa zunga kikui lutomisa kiao kagatoka kafeti kitomisa kugelu nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo gatu feti tomisa getu tunakwa kunima ibosh tubaka kikesa diaka mubate patu mvimba kadi wao na tubate patu mufuile jina keshte modo kwa yamvu ivo budika gelu foti tunga diaka kalu sochi kuna avo tuntu tapele yamvu diaka munti diaka sao zoji tson kumba mona gustu kizek bon mono kangine korna dawra ku kashi mono wavu yetukul tuana shingole ke kikuru me kileso solo kuvo tukala kaka mona pashi pele ange yuna va fulu tuvuidi yenu matoko luna muna atawe tufati tuna mesu yetu zoji tsoni fetikala ku yenu diaka votu lweka kuna zunga kiao tala unangena tala foru magen kala vot mutoma zai kwa ni vol tula ngondo kuntwala nzang kulikana tuzaisi lumona madioko lumona diaka ko yinzawu diaka lumona diaka enguba iboshikana bobi kuba kinga gati mu
nzayi di ephunza mupente kekelenge wakelele kumoshi i president net akele mupente yandi ukele mnani usalidenge kumenga lo ilu sasu nzayi iboshi oluishi di tuitomene yangalela muliambu echi gata tomisanga yogene kuntwala tutomene yangalela ditete tutondele diaka odu luishi di kwako enwe yenu luishi di yenu lufeti tomisachi ayenu luishi di yenu lufeti tomisachi ya yivate pe utu kangei ya yivate ikuilu diadi yenu lufeti tomisa kui kagatwan kaka
Avada yekinai.
ayenu ekumbwa kungeyi epanzu tuzu ayizayi panzu zayi kizayi kwa makumbu yinkaka ha bensawo apanzu nani oh
Oh, very hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just tell me what have you written that
I mean, the second person, I got his name, Zai. I think he talked about where he came from. But I don't know if they talked about the clan, something about the Mpanzu something.
yes.
And then the first person, I don't know. I think they were talking about something. I don't know. They had some kind of association, Louis
Yes.
something. but most of it I didn't understand. He also gave his name. I didn't get his name. But he also they asked him for his name. He gave his name. But I think
Yes.
they were talking about like I think Minister of Culture came by or something.
Yeah, good. Yes. Well, the last person, Dr. David, have you written anything? No?
No, very, very little. Yeah, it was a little easier to understand more of the second speaker than the
Okay.
first.
Okay. So, so what have you got from the second speaker, Dr. David?
Yeah, so from the second speaker, yes, I did hear him give your name, and I couldn't tell when he was saying Mpanzu if he was talking about you specifically or about your clan.
Ah, yes, yes. That was my brother visiting a village, yes.
Ah,
Because we look alike, that person was saying, "Are you? I know you. You are Panzu." Then my brother said, "No, no, no, it's not me." Then he said, "Panzu Nani." Who can translate into English? Of course, totally. Panzu Nani.
Which who's Banzu or
Yes, right there. Yes, yes. He said that. Oh, you're Panzu. Who? I'm not Panzu, but who
which
is Panzu then?
which
which Banzu?
yeah.
Yeah, who is Panzu? Yeah, well done. Okay. No, no, this is we going somewhere. We're moving. Totally. It's hard, but this is Kwilufuta. That was my village. It was built in 1996. Sorry, 1976. Sorry, yes, I was there when they were building the village. Yes,
But I can
2000.
I can tell you 95% of what they said I didn't really. I was picking up words here and there. I heard Tuka like to come from, but I didn't.
Tuka,
I don't
yeah,
know.
yeah,
I was
yeah. No, no,
catching
no,
some
no.
words,
Yeah,
Diambu,
yes.
JID, like, but I didn't.
No, good, good. We're moving totally. We're on the move. Yeah, we're doing something and we're learning bit by bit here. We'll get there. Okay. Tulenda mokena totally.
Uh,
Tulenda mokena.
Tulenda Mokanangina. No.
Tulenda mokena.
Tulenda, I can't do it. Tulenda.
Tulenda mokena. Okay, we
Oh,
can translate.
oh boy. I know Mokina to see. Do
To
I?
talk. Mokena to talk.
Oh,
Mm.
Mokina to talk.
To
Why am I
talk, yes.
confusing it with Am I confusing it with Mbwene?
Mona is to see
Oh, Mona
Mbwene.
is to see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Mokena.
Mokina is to talk. You're right. I
Yeah,
just.
Moko. Then Moko totally. Moko means. Moko means totally.
Is it I or
Moko
to?
talk. Moko. Hmm?
Wait a minute.
I got
Okay.
you totally. Go.
No,
We have
no, I
Moko.
know what
We have
I'm missing.
Moko plural of Koko hand. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. No, I'm confusing it myself. No, you're right. You're absolutely right.
We have
That was good. Yeah.
hence we have to pay attention to the sound. Long vowel. Yeah. When you say Moko,
Yeah.
you mean dialogue talk. Yeah. Moko plural of Koko hand. Yes. Totally okay.
Okay.
Totally. Wambote kwa kuna. Same pattern you answer. Totally. Wambote kwa kuna.
Uh, what,
I'm using second singular. Then
yeah.
you are first
One,
singular, of course. Wambote
one
kwa
boat,
kuna, it is a question, yes.
yeah. One boat,
Don't
one
look
boat.
at your notes, totally.
Okay.
No.
What was it? Wambote Ngina?
Yeah, well done. Yeah, just pay attention. Hang on, but you have dropped something important because I'm using how do you call it? Emphatic. Wambote kwaku una. Yes. Then you answer totally.
So Wambote, yeah. So which the emphatic for
No, you,
okay, Wambote
first person, you are first person. I'm using
Wambote
kwaku. I'm using kwaku, you are.
Kwame.
Yes, Wambote kwame.
Wambote Kwame
Ngina. Yes, your verb.
Ngina.
Yeah, the verb. Yes. Okay. How should I put it? So, same question, but I want you to answer on behalf of the crowd. Yeah. Lunama vimpi, because you could either if someone asks you Lunama vimpi. Up to you. You could say you can use the wambote. Tata Dave, just your answer. Lunama vimpi. Wambote ngina. Yeah. Wambote ngina. Yes, wambote ngina. Okay, Tata Ale, question to you, but I want you to give him back the emphatic, yeah? First emphatic. Wambote, no, sorry. Lunama vimpi, eh? You answer on behalf of the crowd, Tata Ale. But I want you to give me emphatic, Tata Ale, please. Lunama vimpi.
So you want me to use the Wambote?
You're going to use the emphatic. Just remember, you're using emphatic, yes?
Okay.
You're using tuluba, but remember there's a change because we're using emphatic. Tuluba should sound different, yeah? Wambote Luna, sorry. Okay, let me use Wambote Luna, but you give me your answer on emphatic, Tatari.
Wambote Loi. Is it going to be Loi? No. Toi.
Yes, Tuambote, well done.
Yeah.
Tuambote,
Okay, toi. Okay, I
Tuambote,
got it. Okay.
Tuambote,
Tuambote
emphatic, yes?
Tuna.
Yes, plural, sorry.
Tuambote Tuna.
Yes, correct, but I want you to use emphatic. Tuambote.
Oh, so Tuambote Kwete Tuna.
Yes, you only use the toi because you're using emphatic. Yeah, yes.
Okay. So
If there's no
yeah.
emphatic, you would have answered bambote tuna. Yes, simple. Huh? Bambote luna.
Okay, so
Am I clear that?
can you repeat that one more time? So the toi is the emphatic, right? So
No,
what?
emphatic is your of course
Yeah,
your
Kwetu.
kwetu, yes. But tuluba, you keep the tuluba, but it should sound toi instead of tu, yeah. Tuambote tuna. Tuambote kwetu, sorry. Tuambote kwetu tuna.
That's in response. Okay.
Luambote kwetu luna.
Okay, I think I got it. So what would we so toi is considered just it's almost like key and ko.
No, toi is your two, but in this case you're using toi because you're using emphatic pronoun, yes? Tuambote kwetu, yes?
Yeah, I guess the way because I know before when we were doing the emphatic, we would have an auxiliary.
Oh no! Put it.
verb.
Yeah, good. No.
Okay,
No,
put that to the side.
this is this is from grammar book, yes?
Okay.
Grammar book, but because it's something we use on regular every day. I mean, greeting. Yes, I want you to understand. Instead of staying static on Lunama VIP, yeah, totally, yes,
Yeah.
That David, remember?
So, how does it? Where does the toi get applied? Is it tuambote? tuna queno, or is it
When using toi, whenever using emphatic, you go to for toi. Tuambote kweto, yes?
okay?
Tuambote kweto, tuambote kweno. Basically, when you're using emphatic pronoun, plural side, basically you're still using tuluba, but it should sound, instead of tumbote tuna, tuambote kweto tuna, luambote kweno luna, bambote kwa obena. That
Is it only for the plural side and that's it, right?
yes. Plural side, but when you're using your emphatic, Tata David, Tata, yes.
Okay,
Whenever using emphatic.
okay, only emphatic only.
Only if you have emphatic.
Okay, so but
Otherwise,
there is no emphatic for the singular.
there's no. Yeah, there's no change in emphatic for the singular. Same wambote, yes. Remember, when there's no emphatic, basically when you're using, get this, when you're using wambote, the only change is plural side whenever using emphatic pronoun. Am I clear, Tata?
Not entirely. I mean,
Okay, let me try to explain
if I
again.
want to say I'm very well,
Yes.
then I don't need to. It would just be Wambute and Gina.
In this case, no, because you mean you are very you a bit emphatic. That in this case you're using emphatic pronoun. Yes, you use emphatic because you mean it. You mean it. I'm well. You saying I'm very well. Yes.
Okay, so Wambute Kwame and Gina.
Yes, well done. With the Kwamingina. Wambote kwame, wambote, bambote, plural. When the only change when we're using emphatic. I want you to get this.
Only on the plural side.
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you don't have emphatic pronoun, we just we're going for wambote, bambote.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Wambote ngina, wambote tuna, wambote, bambote. The only change when using emphatic, plural side, yes, wambote. Just think of when using emphatic, just think of tuluba, yes, but you change on the tone, the sound should sound different. Yeah? Should sound different compared to the usual tuluba. Yes, certainly.
Yes.
Yeah, totally.
Yes.
Okay, we are going to talk now. We have 15 minutes. We need to talk. We're done with notes. We have a pile of notes, yes. Now we need to try to get running, yeah? Let the rubber hit the ground. Yes? Tata Allen, kunanzo mavimpi. Always good to just try to how do you call it? Kunanzo, yes?
Yeah,
Your location,
Yeah, okay, the location.
locative preposition.
Okay.
Kunanzo, yes?
Kunanzo tuna mavimpi.
Yes, with that. Kunanzo tuna mavimpi, yeah, mavimpi tuna, yes. I will go for mavimpi tuna. Kunanzo mavimpi tuna. Tata David, kunanzo mavimpi. Kunanzo, yes?
Yeah, kunanzo tuna mavimpi.
Yeah, okay, that's matter. Perfect. But Yes. Oh, tatale. Kimambo mabwidi kuna tieno. I think I did ask this question last time.
Okay.
Kimambo mabwidi kuna tieno.
You said kumambu or no kimambu?
Kimambo mabwidi. Let me see if I can find this here. Basically, if let me just see if I can find Kimambo mabwidi kuna tieno. You mean you're talking about 1 minute, sorry. I did delete this. Let me give 1 minute. Basically, you're saying you could in French you could say because bois. Let me just write it. Sorry. Mambu mabwidi kunantieno. Tieno. Basically, we want to get used to different way of greeting people, yes, instead of normal invitata, yes.
Okay.
Kimama bwidi kunantieno. Basically, mean maybe you could say, what is the breaking news? Yes.
Huh.
Anything new? Any news? Yes. Yes. All these sentences, you mean any news? Any news? Where you are coming from?
Mm-hmm.
And see, can you see on your screen here? Kimambu mabwidi. Mambu mabwidi kunantieno. Nki mambu mabwidi. You don't need to memorize this. You don't need to memorize, but you need to understand it because it's very easy. It is very easy to understand. I mean, you can. Let me just go back to. We were going to. I'm going to ask a question. It is going to help you to understand it better. Yes.
Okay.
Mambo singular singular of mambo. Remember.
Yeah, no.
D begins with D. Diambu.
Diambu.
Yes. Diambu mambu. Yeah?
Yeah.
Plural. Diambu mambu. Generally speaking, MA, if you see MA, always think of 90% could be a prefix, yes? So, mambu, yeah, let's call it prefix, but mambu, mabwidi, that's ma, it is related to mambu, yes? That's it. Mama, plural, they're both plural. Yes, diambu, that's all, Can you try to translate? I mean, to use singular. Diambu, if I go for diambu, then what happened to bwidi then? My prefix to bwidi. Ki. Remember, my prefix is D with the diambu singular. So should be the same. Is that how David?
So it would be dibwidi.
Yes, well done. So, totally confused.
No. Say that again. It'll
No,
become
mambo is plural.
Diabwidi. Yeah, no, I got it.
Dibwidi. So your singular is D, yes?
Yeah.
Singular is D. Ki diambu dibwidi, yes?
Yes.
Ki mambu mabwidi. Bois is your verb. Bois means totally. Bois.
Hi.
What's how do you call it in physics? Potential law, something happen. That's gravity. Grab it. Boom. Grab it. Then fall.
To fall.
Yes. Bois. The verbs bois. B-U-A. B-U-A.
Okay.
Bois. Kimama Bouidi. Even in the French, some they say la nouvelle est tombée. Hein? La nouvelle est tombée. They don't use break. I mean, of course, it's French. In English, to say breaking news, they would say the la nouvelle est tombée, meaning that quote unquote news has fallen. Tata Davies. In French, this meaning la nouvelle est tombée means that
Like a breaking news.
breaking news. Yes. In our language, in Kikongo, we say Kimama Bwidi Kunantieno. Tata David, can you translate this sentence, the full sentence, please? Kunanti, we have a and T, Tata David, Tata Ale T. T means T, country. Country. Yeah, T.
N-T-I, T?
Yeah, T means country, yes.
Okay.
T. And of course yours, yes? Yeah, Tata Eno, remember Eno? Tata
No, I'm thinking you said Eno as in just
Eno has the usual suffixes, yeah? Suffixes.
yeah.
So when I say Tieno, I mean your country, yes?
Yeah, Tieno. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
Tieno. Question to you, Tatale. Tieno. Tingani means?
Yeah.
Ngani.
Ting.
Tingani, yes. Ngani.
Wow. I have no idea right now. My brain right now is just.
No. I know you know it. Tata David. Tiame. Tata David. Tiame. We use usual suffixes, yeah? Tiame.
Okay. So, my country. My
well done,
area.
yeah. Tata David, yeah. Tiame, yeah. Tieno, you mean
Yes.
Yeah, what about our country? Our country.
Yeah, Tieto.
Well done, yeah. Then they, first plural. Tata David.
Okay.
Just remember.
Piano.
Tiao.
Xiao.
Yes.
Okay.
Tingani means someone else's country, yes? Basically, yes. Not mine. Their country, Tingani, yes. We have a saying in Kikongo, Kyaku, Kyangani. That's all. You understand that? Can you translate that? Kyaku, Kyangani.
And isn't that what you used to have written? Kyaku. Kyaku is
We still remember ki is your prefix, yeah? Because you have aku is usual.
Yeah.
Ame aku. So when I say kyaku, ki aku. Sorry?
Yes. I think it's what is it? Yours?
Well done, yours. Well, bravo, yeah, yours, yes. Tata David, yeah? Kyaku mean yours. Kyame, Tata David. Kyame.
Mine.
Well done, yes. So we're saying Kikongo, Kyaku, Kangani. Ngani in this case, theirs, yeah? I mean, yes? Someone else. When we say Kyaku, Kangani. Tata, can you translate, please?
Yours is yours, theirs is theirs.
Yeah. Well done. Kyaku, Kangani. I mean, meaning that different people different people interpret it the different ways. So basically, you are saying, okay,
It's a different strokes for different folks.
sorry.
Is it vernacular here? Different strokes for different folks.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you are right. Yes. Basically, when Congo is saying Kyaku is saying that, okay, I'm not lucky because none of my friend is here.
Right.
See?
Or we have our way, they have their way.
Yeah. Kengani. Kimambo mabwidi kuna ntieno. Tetale again, please. Singular. Full sentence, please.
Okay. Ki diaku.
Diambu.
I'm sorry, ki diambu.
Mm.
Dibwidi.
Yes, dibwidi. Mm.
Dibwidi.
Kuna.
Kuna. I guess. Tieno.
Yes. Yes. Ki diambu dibwidi kuna tieno. Yes. Tutondele. Question. We're talking yeah?
Yeah, this has been a lot today.
we mean business.
Yeah.
That's only questions.
No, I think that's enough for today.
This is small. This is small sentence. We could say small sentence, but it means a lot. Yeah. Ki, what? Yes. Mambu, plural of diambu. Remember, di is singular. Diambu. Diambu. Singular. Okay. Tata David, over to Mambote. Mambote. Give me singular. Tata David, Mambote.
Right. Diamboke.
Well done. Yeah, Mambote. Tata David, Tata. Tata.
Yes.
Mambote. Mambote.
Okay. What do you you need a singular?
Yeah, Mambote, singular.
Yeah.
D-I.
Yeah.
Diambote. Yeah, Diambote. It's good. Yeah, Diambote. It's good. Yes. Same question. Okay. I don't have space in the room here. Mambote. Tata Alain. Singular. Give me singular.
Diambote.
Yes. Translation, David.
It's just another way of asking, "Are you well?"
Be careful here. We're not good. Good that you say that, because we're not nothing to do with greetings. Yes, we're talking about when you say diambote, you mean something good. Yes. Diambote.
Would that
we're
be
talking
good?
greetings.
So is that good things or just something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mambote, good things. Yeah, diambote, good things. Yeah, something good. Yeah, something good. Diambote. Mbi bad. So singular total. Mbi is bad. Use your prefix. Singular is sorry. Mbi mean bad. So something bad. Use your singular prefix, singular for singular. Mbi is bad.
Is it DV?
1 minute, so total.
You said MB?
Mbi means bad. Mbi.
Yeah, but okay, that's singular.
Yeah, mbi means bad.
Okay.
So something bad, singular.
Is it gonna be
Diambi.
Diambi?
Yes. So plural, Tata David.
Mambi.
Well, We're talking Congo, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Take note, make sure you take note of the view. Very important.
Yeah.
Because we have the main things written, but not all the stuff will be written, Tata the views. We don't have it on a system, on folder online. But this one, you make sure you take your notes. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. See you next Sunday. Questions, Tata David.
Okay. So, Sala Kiambote.
C'était on dit le loin de Cambote.
Musala Kiambut.
Yo.
Imba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salumbu, Villielonga, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumbo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Politiza Keita Kulama Serge Ngodo na San Diego.
ezela po